Hey everybody, Mrs. Turkella here. For math, we're doing some counting this week with 10 frames, so I wanted to show you what the 10 frame looks like. You can take any piece of paper and draw it. I made it big so that you could see it. It just depends on what kind of toys you're using to count with. The reason it's called a 10 frame is because there are 10 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to set it right here so you can see. And any toys that you would like to use, I'm going to use these little bears. And I'm going to stick one bear in each spot. So it can be any color toy. They don't have to be the same kind of toy. It can be anything you want to use. So I'm filling up my 10 frame. And as you can see here, let me see how I can show you. Okay. As you can see here, there is one bear in each spot. So, what you can do with that now is grab one and take one off the 10 frame and then ask how many are left in the 10 frame. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are left there. You can start back with all of them again and know that there is 10 here again, and maybe take 2 this time and put them off to the side. Now how many are left? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 left. You can do that with any combination. Taking them away like that, it kind of gives them the visual of how many are there, so that when they're looking at the 10 frame like this, let me see if I can get a good view of it. So eventually when they practice this, they can look at this and say, hey, there's 6 here. So essentially you are practicing ways of making 10. Another way to practice ways of making 10 is to use 2 colors. So if I take I use red and blue. Let me quickly here, exchange my bears. Okay. So now I'm using 2 colors and I can show ways of making 10 this way. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue. So we know there's 10 here, so 5 and 5 is 10. So that's one way to make 10. So another way is if I have more of those colors, I can replace one of my blues with one of my reds, and now as you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are red, and 1, 2, can't see that one, 1, 2, 3, 4 that are blue. So now we know 6 and 4 is 10. So just exploring those ways of making 10 and just exploring the numbers on a 10 frame can be helpful with counting. So again, if you can start out by putting 10 like I did. If you would prefer to start out and count each one individually and just look at the 10 frame with one object in it, and just know that that is 1, and then as you add more to it and just kind of talk about, okay, there's 2, you can do it that way too. So if you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully you will find this video helpful, and I can't wait to see what your 10 frames look like. Thank you for listening, and have fun.